Easy to make. You don't really get bored of it because you can eat it 3 or 4 different ways that I like to use. I eat it by itself, and I eat it with bread. You can eat it with even just lettuce or something. I use crackers too. So let me show you what everything you're going to need to make this. We're going to use our chicken breast. We're going to season it up and we're going to bake it. Olive oil, black pepper, layered seasoning, salt, garlic salt, some mustard, mayo, peppers, onions, and some celery. That's all I really use on mine. So now let's season this up. I already preheated the oven to 350. And season it in the pan. Some black pepper. Some garlic salt. I don't use the salt until the end when I finish making everything, because I already use garlic salt and layer, so I don't want to make it too salty. More layer and season on this side. Black pepper. And some garlic. I tried it a couple different ways too. I tried it before grilling it, then I tried before just frying it. But still, baking it has always been the best way to me. It tastes better. But each one got its own little flavor. It's just this one I prefer because it tastes better to me. Alright. So once we pop it in the oven, we're going to give it about 25 minutes to cook and everything. And then while we're waiting, we're going to go ahead and chop these up. Don't need to use the whole onion. Probably use about 1/4 of it, because too much onion is too much for me. And just a little of the green pepper, and then I chop the celery real small. Alright, let's put it in the oven. Now let's see. It's been 30 minutes. Oh yeah. It smells so delicious. Now what we're going to do, now we're just going to cut it up, put it inside this bowl, and then put all our ingredients in it. Already cut it up. You can add more stuff if you need to. That's all I wanted in mind. Add my mayo, mustard, and salt and pepper. And we're going to put it in the fridge. Let's mix it all up. And now once you got it all cut up, put it in the bowl. You add the rest of your ingredients. Put it all in there. Alright. Let's give it a little stir up. Everything mixed in. Alright, perfect. Alright, now we're going to add the mayonnaise. But you don't want to, you can always add more, so you don't want to put too much mayonnaise, because taking mayonnaise out is impossible. And a little bit of mayonnaise goes a long ways. So I put about 3 scoops in there to start myself off. No, maybe 4. 4 scoops. Add some mustard. Okay. Perfect. Now you gotta just stir them all up. How much mayonnaise and mustard you add is all on you and your flavor. How much you want. Me personally, I don't like too much of mayonnaise, but then again, I don't like not enough mayonnaise. Alright. think that'll look pretty good. Maybe 2 more scoops. And maybe perfect. 1, 2. Now that should do it. Like I said, you can always add more, like I just did, but taking it out is impossible. When I first started doing this, okay. And once you got it all stirred up, all the mayo in it like you want, now that's beautiful. You can do it like, you can eat it like this if you like it. I like mine to be cold. So I'm gonna put mine in the fridge for a little bit. Taste it real quick first. I add a little bit more salt and pepper to it. Alright. Pepper. And then another stir in. You always taste it first before you add the salt and pepper because you did season the chicken. So by that it does keep some seasoning in it. But it's all about how much seasoning you want in your flavor. Another little bite. That's perfect. That looks beautiful. Now we just throw it in the fridge. That's all you gotta do. And thanks for watching my little easy recipe I like to do. It's very quick, very simple, and very tasty. So if you like it, give me a like, subscribe, tell me what else you like to put in it, and any other stuff. Alright, until next time.